In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Drive to n8n. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So to get started, let's go to console.cloud.google.com. I will leave a link in the description down below. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to make a new project really quickly. Now, if you already have a project, you don't have to do this. I'm going to give the project a name and just click create. Beautiful. Now let's select that project and we're going to go to the top here and we're going to type in Drive and we're going to click on Google Drive API. Next, click enable and it will bring you to this beautiful screen. Now we're going to go to our OAuth consent screen right here on the left and we're going to click get started. We're going to give our app a name. I'm going to call it YouTube Drive Test. We're going to select an email, click next. We're going to click external and click next, and then we're going to put an email here and click next, and then agree and click continue and click create. Next, we're going to go to data access on the left. We're going to add or remove scopes. Scroll down and make sure you select all the rows. Right now we've got 41. Click this checkbox and click update and then click save. Now let's go over to audience and let's add a test user right here. Now this email is the email that you will be using to connect to the Google Drive and click save. Now let's go to clients and let's create a client. We're going to click application type and select web application. We'll give it a name. And for authorized redirect URIs, we have to go over to n8n now. So we'll go to n8n. We'll click create credential. We'll search Drive, select Google Drive OAuth. Click continue, and this is the URL that we want. And we'll go back, we'll add it, and we'll click create. And then we'll grab this client ID, we'll pop it in there. We'll grab the client secret, we'll pop it just below, and we'll click sign in with Google, and we'll sign in with the account that we approved. It'll ask us what scopes we want, we'll click continue, and we're good to go. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like some more help with n8n, I am hosting a free community to help you guys out. There we have challenges to earn some real cash money. I also answer any question that gets posted in the group. So if that's something you're interested in, please check out the link down below, and you guys have a wonderful day.